Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are see the latest interior designing of house, how to manage the interior equipment, how to manage the table, chairs. This is the latest designing of the house, beautiful kitchens, beautiful dining rooms, bathrooms and bedrooms. These designing are based on the European style and latest techniques. You can maintain the house and interior architecture of the house. It is a very nice and beautiful place. You can everything manage on this video. Now bathrooms, toilets and interior designing. You can easily maintain it. You see the latest item of the bathroom, balcony, dining tables, chairs, kitchens, glass and all item on this house, garden. Thank you.